just the money. You need to educate them. You need to feed them and care about them. This is the important thing.
It's tiring.
Yeah. A lot of tourists here. This is very famous. I like to come to it to make you see it. This is the library. You see it?
Big?
Yeah, it's a very big one.
Who built it?
We rebuilt it very new in 1990, I think, 1995. But it's the old library that Alexandria come and rebuild it with a lot of Egyptian Coptics. The Egyptian Coptics, it's not even Christian. No, the Coptics, it's mean Egyptian people. It's very big and very massive, more than this one. But we believe it's in the same area, but we make this one, it's a new one. This is like cinema, small cinema, just to learn you how to discover the sky. This one, this round one. And you can see cilantro. This is the main cafe nowadays here in Egypt. He is Egyptian.
It's not like Starbucks.
Yes. This is the one we go now and give him our money, not Starbucks. At the bus time we admire Starbucks, of course, but not anymore. And I don't believe in